In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stop and book a ride in the Uber app on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set your pickup, add a destination, include a stop along the way, and finish by confirming and paying for your ride. Start by opening the Uber app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load the home screen. Front and center, you'll see the search bar that says Where To. This is where you'll set up your trip details. Tap the Where To search bar and first enter your pickup location. The app usually suggests your current location automatically, but if you need to be picked up somewhere else, type that address instead. As you type, Uber will show suggestions. Choose the correct one and make sure the pin on the map looks accurate so your driver can find you easily. Next, enter your destination. This is where you want to end your trip. Again, pick the correct address from the suggestions. Once you've entered both your pickup and your destination, Uber will generate a preview of your route and begin showing ride options and estimated prices based on current traffic and demand. If you need to make a stop along the way, maybe to pick up a friend or grab something, you can add it now. Look for the small plus icon to the right of the location box. Tap that plus icon, then choose Add Stops. In the stop field that appears, enter the address or place name for your stop and select it from the suggestions. Keep in mind that adding a stop can change your fare and arrival time, since the route and total time will adjust accordingly. When you've added the stop and everything looks correct, tap Done. You'll return to the main trip screen with your pickup, stop, and destination laid out in order. Take a second to review the details on the map and confirm the addresses are right. Now select your ride option. You'll see choices that vary by size, comfort, and price. Pick the one that fits your needs, then review the fare estimate and any relevant notes shown on screen. When you're ready, tap Confirm and Pay. That final tap books your ride and your driver will receive your route with the stop included. Be ready at your pickup point and remember that time spent at the stop counts toward your fare, so keeping it brief helps your trip stay on time. That's it. Open the app, set pickup and destination, add a stop with the plus icon, tap Done, choose your ride, and confirm and pay. Enjoy your trip.